In this video, I walk you through the journey your child will take from the very first hello with his teacher to a fully customized learning path, so you know exactly what to expect. Hi, I'm Wendy van Dalen, founder of Dutch for Children, and welcome back. It all starts with our intake. You can watch the video about the intake on this channel, but in short we talk about your background, your child's educational level, your child's level of Dutch, and we summarize his hobbies and things he likes, and then we know where to start. The first lesson with the teacher we matched your child with is partly an introduction, getting to know each other, and partly exploration. The teacher will try a mix of activities, language-based of course, which match the estimated level of your child, and the teacher also tries to have fun together with your child and make it a successful experience for the first time. The teacher always uses a language game or a video or a Dutch song to motivate the child to participate even when it's for the first class. Depending on how quickly the teacher pinpoints the needs of your child, this phase can take about 1 to 3 lessons. By the end of the 3 lessons or the 4 lessons, that's an exception, but sometimes we need that time, we have a clear picture of exactly what your child needs in the first steps to flourish. Within those 3 or 4 lessons, your teacher knows which learning line to follow. She aligns that with the Dutch Ministry of the Education's framework and which activities spark your child's curiosity, and how to pace the lessons for maximum confidence of your child. We then put this all in a shared document. We share this with you as a parent, of course with your child if he has his own email, and the teacher, so we can all stay on the same page. At this point, your child also gets access to an online platform that matches his needs best. And if you have a young child, we also explain the platform to you, so you know how it works and how he can practice there or watch videos. This platform is accessible 24/7, so that is a great extra source for your child's Dutch. Once the plan is set, we follow it, but it is never a follow-up that we follow blindly. Every lesson we keep a direct line of communication open with you, quick recaps, highlights, small tweaks we have to make. We also put in this document homework or family activities, from reading a short Dutch story, maybe together if you're up to it, or watching a video when someone native reads a story, to playing a language game at dinner, or preparing something to cook with Dutch ingredients. This collaboration ensures your child to stay motivated, and you always know how to support them. Twice a year, in December and June, you will receive a comprehensive report about the progress of your child. The reports are given to students who are taking lessons with us 3 months and up. And the reports contain a written evaluation of the teacher. It's a narrative summary of progress, the strengths of your child, working points, that kind of stuff. And the other part is an objective progress overview. It is made from the learning path that the Ministry of Education of the Netherlands has made for every child in every age level. And we adapted it to goals that are achievable with lessons once or twice a week. The goals are speaking goals, listening goals, reading goals, and writing goals. And with writing you can think about the grammar and the spelling, and later on, if the child is older, also the style of writing. After each report, you have the time to evaluate with your child, and if you have questions, you can always schedule a call with me via Zoom and we can review together. Beyond the lessons and reports, we are here for your whole family. Do you need advice on the Dutch school system? Are you unsure how to interpret the scores of an assessment, of the comments in a report? Do you want to discuss how the lessons are going online? For example, if you want to switch emphasis from spelling to speaking because your child struggles to make friends, just reach out. We will coordinate with your teacher and provide guidance that you need, specialized to your needs, to the needs of your children. A quick call is not far away. My schedule is open for this kinds of meetings. Our goal is to empower you as a family because that helps your child as well. And that is, in short, your child's journey at Dutch for Children, from the very first intake to the personalized lessons, ongoing support, formal evaluations and beyond. Are you ready to see your child thrive in Dutch? Click the link in the description to book your free call now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for more insights into our online lessons and the real success stories from families just like yours. Bye. Dag.